are a whole lot of experiences that we encounter during our practices, especially our clinical practices, wherein pregnant women come seeking help. Typically, you will have a very delicate person who's been married for 2 to 3 years, and she would get pregnant, her pregnancy test comes positive, and she becomes whole lot of anxious. She's just about 4 or 5 weeks pregnant, yet everything else is to be determined, but she'll start getting backache, she'll start feeling nausea, she'll have leg aches, and then she'll have whole lot of sleeplessness, and then she'll trouble the entire family, especially that poor husband. And on the other side of the entire ball game is a woman who is happily enough missed her periods. She says, okay, fine, I'll do my pregnancy test maybe after 7 days, and then I'll go to the doctor because I'm aware of everything that I am supposed to be going through. So you can see that there is a pendulum which is swinging between one extreme, who is absolutely casual, a cool cat, and the other one who is completely worried and absolutely anxious as to know what she's getting into. Now, what does this mean? That yes, pregnancy is a wonderful physical condition. There are a lot of physical changes in the body. It's a physical act, but it requires a lot of mental modification, mindfulness, the correct attitude, because it requires a lot of tolerance in many which ways. Now, so many women are concerned about stretch marks that they are going to get on your tummy, the fact that their bodies are not going to remain the same after that, and they do expel this anxieties up to me. And my answer to that always is, just consider it as a wonderful painting that your baby is painting on you. So if you look at it that way, and it is wonderful function of a woman's body. There are so many instances that we have in the showbiz, or you can see in the public media, wherein women have had children, but they have gone back to their normal body and mental structure. So pregnancy is not only a physical change, and if you're concerned about physical abuse, that this is going to change my body, I'm going to put on weight, I'm not going to look nice, I'm going to look different. No. If you really follow it properly throughout the entire pregnancy, have the right goals, have the right approach, have the right dietary and activity practices, everything can be simply optimized. You can come back to normal as if nothing happened physically. The second most important thing is the mental changeover. Yes, pregnancy brings about a wonderful mental change. It makes you more tolerant. It makes you more compassionate. It makes you more understanding, more loving, and more beautiful. Just imagine, it's like when you look at your babies and your children, it's like your heart's walking out of you. Whenever I see my boys, I always tell them that, look, my heart is walking out of my body. So you can't have that kind of a connect with anybody else in this world. Just imagine. Yes, the fathers can have this kind of a connect because it's their baby born to them genetically. But the mothers are directly connected. They come out of your own body. And that connect is something that you should not allow to get affected by your anxiety, fear, some sort of myths, and unnecessarily stressfulness. Look at it as a blessing. It is only you who has that unique capacity of creating that wonderful being which you have created, who is an extension of you, your cells, your genetic makeup, your thinking. The nose is going to be like you, the eyes are going to be like you, and this kind of a thing requires a lot of acceptance, a lot of tolerance, whole loads and loads of love inside you, and a lot of feelings. And therefore pregnancy is not only a physical aspect change, but there's a huge lot of mental, psychological underplay that requires to be looked into. Your emotions come into being. I, on a personal level, felt that after becoming a mother, I become a better and a complete human being. I felt that it gave me a lot of strength of character, of commitment, of strength, physical strength, of achievement, and being there always. So these children are going to grow. They are going to demand food, they are going to require love, they will require nurturing, and you will have to be there with them. So your pregnancy, delivery is a very, very small kind of a documentary of the entire life of your parenting. It's a small little documentary. And this is going to lay down the foundation of how you are really going to be as a human being who is nurturing another human being. So how much physical strength you have, how much mentally strong you are, all this. And pregnancy gives you an opportunity. If it's not been there, you always have an opportunity to fall in place, fall in tandem, achieve this particular, little bit of bits and pieces which are not there, make yourself complete, and then evolve as a wonderful, complete parent. There is nothing in this world as beautiful as being a parent.